I just got a box, Tasha's new holiday collection with Shop Avara. Let's unbox it together. You want to? Oh, cuteness. Obsessed with this. You know who else loves things like this? My girls. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. I had this in black last year. I'm digging this cranberry color. Look at the scallops right there. You know I'm all about a bow. Yes, ma'am. Fabulous. Pink and red she's known for, and I'm quite a fan myself. These are adorable. Speaking of pink and red, oh yes, ma'am. Yo, we're wearing this Christmas, we're wearing this Valentine's, we're wearing this because it's a day that ends in Y. The goodness keeps coming. Ooh, a little black velveteen skirt. Per usual, nailed it on the accessories. Do we have? Oh, yeah. I love this one. To hide this from my girls. New shoes definitely cure the blues. Oh my gosh. I love these. Let's go get all this tried on, shall we? We're gonna talk about a couple ways to style the Joan jacket. She's my favorite. The scallops, the buttons, putting it with a little sequin skirt. If it's a chilly night, you have to go out to a party, maybe a work dinner that's like for the holiday. This is what you're gonna wear. But wait for it. I mean, she's good with jeans too, girls. Becca jeans, Joan top, and shoes. Where are we going in this? Lunch with friends? I think maybe so. The Fallon skirt with the cute bow. We love her. I would style this. Do some awesome black tights. Don't worry, I'll link some for you. A little platform shoe. This to Christmas program at school. How about you? Joan makes a fabulous topper. You know this super cute outfit we loved? And it's chilly out. We're gonna layer this on top, velvet pants, statement top, must have Joan jacket. She's good. You're gonna wanna grab her. Sometimes we want more of a neutral look. Is this jacket not fabulous? Given the fact it was snowing yesterday, get out your warm and cozies. I think sometimes when you're in a neutral, do a pop of color in your shoe. These are absolutely adorable. So comfortable. I mean, the pink and the red. I think this is such a cute outfit. If you're Christmas shopping or running errands or going to lunch with friends, any sort of a statement top, a little fur jacket. These are the Becca jeans, which are great. Pop a color in your shoe. I love it. Well done, Natasha and Shop Avara. No surprise, she's done it again. Fabulous collection, Shop Avara and Natasha. I'm obsessed. It's like the details, the bow, the material of this shirt is so good. You can definitely leave it out or tuck it in. Ooh, I tucked it in, y'all. Look at the bow. I love this. It is a stretchy little velveteen material. Fits wonderfully. The top, so cute. You know I'm gonna pop the collar. The bag, I did put it with some Shop Avara shoes I already had in my closet. Cute little colorful combo. I think Natasha would approve, don't y'all? The ruby dress. Makes me think of like the Wizard of Oz and the ruby slippers. And it's just as fabulous. Look at the details. This little ruffle stand-up collar. The fabric of it is fabulous. I'm in a size extra small. Do you not love like the little drop waist with that little peplum? The shoes. You are probably rolling your eyes at the height of that heel. You're not even gonna believe. It's a platform, so it's actually really comfortable. I had them last year, I believe, in gold. Loved them, wore them more than I ever thought I would because of the comfort. I mean, it's true size 8. I think this is beautiful. And I'll tell you what, this is actually gonna take you well beyond the holidays. Perfect for the Christmas season, but any sort of winter wedding, this would be great. And have you met anything cuter than this? This little number hardly even needs any talking. The Evie pants, y'all, these are so good. They side zip, flat in the front. For you long-legged ladies, they're plenty long enough. If I were gonna wear them with flats, I would need to get them hemmed. I'm in a small pants and an extra small in this little jacket. How cute. Look at how it gathers at the waist. I'm wearing it as a shirt, as you can see, you know, like a pop collar. But you also could do a little tank under it, leave it unbuttoned. This is really cute and easy. This would be a great Christmas program outfit to wear to your kiddos' school. I even think this would be cute with jeans, don't y'all? This Priscilla sweater is gonna be a yes all winter long. I love the festive details. Look at the like little pearl bow closures. It is a snap closure. the puff sleeve, put it on with the black velvet pants. Would be equally as cute with jeans or so many different skirt options that Avara has. Hey, I don't want you to forget, if this is your first time ever ordering with Avara, get ready. You're gonna be like totally hooked and addicted, and you can save 15% off your first order with code MIXANDMATCH15. And they're gonna dress you from head to toe, including the bags. God, this dress is so good. This is one of those universally flattering dresses. This is gonna look good on every age. I am so in love with the scallop detail, the fabulous button closure, the wonderful plaid. Y'all, it's like gorgeous. This is your Christmas Eve church dress. This is your ladies' luncheon dress. I mean, you're gonna keep this one. It's a closet keeper. You know what I mean? Like, never goes out of style. So good. Add it to your cart. Howdy, Santa. Do you have like a more casual cookies with Santa event coming up? Maybe like pictures with Santa at a more casual spot? This is what you're wearing. Or better yet, just invite some friends over to hang out, maybe a cookie exchange. This would be perfect. I am 5'3" for reference, 5'2", 5'3", and the jeans are more than long enough for me, so you long-legged ladies are gonna be happy. Look at how cute they are. You know, you like to see right there. So they're not super high rise, but not low rise. They're actually, I like to call it the perfect rise. I'm in a size 0, so size down if between sizes. The sweater is a little bit more of a roomy fit. I am in a size small. I really feel like this would even be cute with little joggers or leggings. It's such a yes. This is like, you know, the sweaters that you're gonna keep from year to year and wear over and over. Like your kids are gonna look back when they have their own kids and be like, my mom wore this sweater all the time. Yeah, this is it. Oh my gosh, the cutest top in the cutest color. Do you not love this? The mixed media of this makes it look so fancy. Yet, we can also dress it down a tiny bit with jeans. Did you know, here is your reminder, jeans can totally be dressy or casual. I'm not talking black tie dressy, but depending on what shoes you're pairing, which handbag you go with, and the kind of top you do, you can definitely dress up jeans in 2025. 2026 too. Speaking of, this would actually be cute for even a little New Year's party. So think ahead, girls. Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, all the things. Avara has nailed it. This is great. I saved my very favorite for last. Y'all, look at the details of this. The fact that this skirt is pull-on is a win in my book. Shop Avara has nailed it here. Look at these shoes. I mean, the shoes, the handbag, so good. The shimmer of the skirt and the like mixture of the greens, it's such a yes for me. This is like you can be totally comfy while also festive and looking cute. And again, this is taking us holiday, it's taking us New Year's, it's taking us well into January. It is a win.